My name is Colin Mackenzie Rutherford.
What's your father's name?
Father's name is Kenneth.
What's your age?
My age is 26.
What's your nationality?
My nationality is Canadian.
What's your religion?
I don't have a religion. I'm I guess what they call agnostic at this time.
How much education have you done?
4 years.
What degree have you done?
Science.
Have you ever worked in the Canadian government?
No.
What interesting you in Afghanistan?
History, historical sites, old buildings, shrines.
What was your purpose for visiting Afghanistan?
I'm an auditor from Canada, and I came as a tourist.
When did you come to Afghanistan?
Came to Afghanistan in October.
Which area in Afghanistan did you visit first?
Kabul.
Briefly tell us about the areas you visited, things you saw, endures, activities there.
I spent a day or two touring Kabul, and then I went to Ghazni, and then the next day.
Why did you visit these areas?
Tourism.
When did you come to Ghazni?
I came to Ghazni 3 days after I reached Kabul. Or is it 2 days? 2 or 3 days. After.
When were and how were you apprehended?
I was apprehended on the second day after arriving in Ghazni.
How were you treated by the Taliban after your arrest?
I was treated humanely.